Hello everyone and welcome to learnfrenchwithlara.com. Today I'm going to talk about Christmas in French and we are going to see 100 Christmas words in French to describe Christmas. Now you can find them on my website and I am going to talk about some of them. First of all, what do you need for Christmas? You need your Christmas tree, le sapin de Noël. And you need different things to put on it. For example, you need your guirlande de Noël. Vous pouvez aussi avoir, you can also have la guirlande de Noël lumineuse if you want the lights one. On top of it, you can have une étoile. Hanging from it, you can have les boules de Noël, or you can have le petit ange, or you can have une pomme de pin. Now, at the bottom of your sapin de Noël, you need the nativity scene, which is called in French la crèche. La crèche. And who do you need to have in la crèche? You have Joseph, la Vierge Marie, le petit Jésus dans son berceau, and you also have animals, l'âne, Iran, le bœuf. They sit on la paille. You also have les bergers et les rois mages. Les rois mages are the three kings who offered some presents to Jesus Christ, and this is why we offer presents at Christmas. Okay, so now what are the traditions for Christmas in France, for example? Well, if you go to south of France, to Provence, you have les santons, which are little characters which represent the nativity scenes. And what you also need to do, that's everywhere in France, at midnight, you go to la messe de minuit. Donc, vous allez à l'église. À l'église, il y a la chorale et vous allez chanter les chants de Noël. Now, in Belgium, there is Saint Nicolas. Saint Nicolas is Santa Claus. Saint Nicolas vient le 6 décembre. So he arrives on the 6th of December to bring presents to the children, only the one which were good. If they are not good, there is Pierre, le Père Fouettard, who is with him, who is the boogeyman, and is there to punish them. Okay? Now, what do we eat for Christmas? Well, if you go to Provence, you have 13 desserts. Okay? So you have, for example, des noix, des figues séchées, des raisins secs, des dattes, de la pâte de coin, des fruits confits, de la fougasse, du nougat blanc, du nougat noir, des calissons, des oranges, un melon d'eau. So you can find all the different items and the translation on my website, okay? Now, the most important thing is, how do we say Merry Christmas? Well, Merry Christmas, we say Joyeux Noël. And how do we say Happy New Year? We say Bonne année. And you can also say Bonne et heureuse année. Okay, now if you are lucky to have some snow at Christmas, you have Noël blanc. But there is also a French expression that if Christmas is mild, and therefore you do not have any snow, well, Easter will be very cold. And we say Noël au balcon, Pâques au tison. Noël au balcon, Pâques au tison. Balcon is balcony, so basically if it's warm enough so that you spend Christmas at your balcony, Easter will be very cold because tison is what you need to light up the fire from the fireplace, okay? So I hope you like this, and please go and view my other videos. Have a look at my website, and I'll say keep learning French. Yes. Cheerio. Bye bye.